Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And today I'm here to share a very special recipe with you. It is special firstly because of the ingredients. Yes guys, so it is the mango season and I had to share a mango recipe with you. And so I thought of sharing my favorite mango dessert recipe with you guys, and it is the rabri or the mango rabdi as we call it. I absolutely love it and it is a must have for me during summers. I cannot let summers go without having this one. So yes, I'll be sharing this very easy yet extremely delicious recipe with you guys, which I prepared at home, which was very quick because it was easy and it's not gonna take a lot of your time. I'm so sure you're gonna love it. So if you wanna know how I made this delicious rabdi at home, then please keep on watching the video.
For this recipe, we are going to be taking 1 liter of milk and we are going to put it on flame, and then we'll have to wait for it to boil about 10 to 15 times. We have to keep a check on it and keep stirring it once in a while. Once it has boiled completely, we are going to add sugar to this milk and stir it really well. Make sure to add all the malai on the edges of the vessel. Now we'll have to wait for it to boil for another 2 to 5 minutes. You can definitely keep stirring it while it happens. Then we'll just switch off the flame and put this milk to cool it down. I'm using ice cubes and cold water here to cool down the milk completely. Then we'll add the milk powder to this mixture. Don't worry, all the exact ingredients list would be given in the description box below. And then using an electric whisker, you have to whisk this mixture really well so that there are no lumps remaining in the mixture whatsoever. The final consistency of the milk should be something like this. Later, add in about 8 to 10 finely chopped mangoes to this milk mixture. Top your rabri with loads of chopped almonds and chopped pistachios. These nuts are just gonna add to the flavor of the rabri. Later, add about half teaspoon of Elaichi powder to this. Give all of this a really nice mix. Finally, top this rabdi with some saffron and your rabdi is ready. Refrigerate it for a while and serve it chilled. Enjoy!
So guys, that was my recipe for rabdi. I absolutely love it and I so hope you guys love it as well. Do prepare this recipe at your home and I'm sure your family and friends are gonna love this too. Also, don't forget to share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for my Instagram handle would be given in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do let me know in the comments down below if you have any queries or if you want me to share any more such recipes with you guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.